Nanotechnology revolutionizing vehicle dent removal, a new era of car care. In the ever-evolving world of automotive care, nanotechnology stands out as a groundbreaking innovation, particularly in the realm of vehicle dent removal. This technology, which operates at the molecular level, has transformed traditional dent repair methods, offering car owners a more efficient, less invasive, and cost-effective solution. The integration of nanotechnology with advanced materials like nanocloths represents a significant leap forward in how we maintain and restore our vehicles. This article delves into the fascinating world of nanotechnology in vehicle dent removal, exploring how nanocloths and other advancements are reshaping the industry. Understanding nanotechnology. Nanotechnology involves manipulating matter at an atomic or molecular scale, typically between 1 and 100 nanometers. At this scale, materials exhibit unique properties that are not present at larger scales. This technology has applications across various fields, including medicine, electronics, and materials science. In automotive care, nanotechnology is used to enhance the durability, functionality, and aesthetic quality of vehicle surfaces. The basics of dent removal. Traditionally, vehicle dent removal involved methods like paintless dent repair, PDR, which uses specialized tools to massage the metal back into shape without affecting the paint. While effective, these methods often require significant skill and can be labor-intensive. Nanotechnology offers a novel approach that simplifies and improves the dent removal process by utilizing materials and techniques designed to operate at a microscopic level. Nanotechnology and nanocloths, a match made in automotive heaven. Nanocloths are a prime example of how nanotechnology is integrated into practical applications. These cloths are woven with nanofibers, which have unique properties due to their size and structure. Here's how they revolutionize vehicle dent removal. Enhanced cleaning. Nanocloths have an extraordinary ability to clean surfaces due to their fine fibers, which can penetrate microscopic crevices. When used in the dent removal process, they can effectively clean the area around a dent, ensuring that no dirt or debris interferes with the repair. Precision application. The fibers in nanocloths are designed to interact with surfaces at a molecular level, providing precision that is crucial for dent removal. This precision helps in applying the right amount of force and pressure, making the repair process more accurate. Surface protection. Nanocloths are often coated with protective nanomaterials that enhance their durability and effectiveness. These coatings can protect the vehicle's surface from scratches and other damage during the dent removal process. The process of using nanotechnologies in dent removal. Preparation. The first step involves cleaning the vehicle's surface with nanocloths to remove any dirt or contaminants. This is essential for ensuring that the dent removal process is effective and that the vehicle's paint is not damaged. Assessment. The technician assesses the dent, evaluating its size, depth, and location. This assessment determines the best approach for using nanotechnology in the repair process. Application of nanomaterials. Depending on the dent's characteristics, various nanomaterials can be applied. For shallow dents, nanogels or sprays with self-healing properties might be used. These materials can fill in minor imperfections and gradually return the surface to its original state. Utilization of nanocloths. The nanocloths come into play during the final stages of the repair. They are used to gently polish and buff the area, ensuring a smooth and even surface. Their fine fibers can also help in removing any residual nanomaterials and ensuring a high-quality finish. Inspection and finishing touches. After the dent removal process, the vehicle is inspected to ensure that the repair meets the desired standards. Any final adjustments are made using nanocloths and other nanotechnology tools to ensure that the finish is flawless.